Ready, start. As the appellant was in shock, he was left with no option but to file complaint with the police on 8/7/2018. Full stop. However, no action was taken on the complaint. Full stop. Thereafter, the appellant preferred criminal complaint before the magistrate on 27/2018. Full stop. Immediately after coming to know about the filing of the criminal complaint by the appellant, the respondent number 1 approached the family court, Panvel, on 25/7/2018, where the divorce petition filed by her first husband under sections 13 within bracket 1 within bracket first and 13 within bracket 1 within bracket first dash a bracket close of the 1955 Act was pending. Full stop. The respondent number 1 filed an application seeking conversion thereof to a divorce by mutual consent under section 13-B of the 1955 Act. Full stop. After accepting the application, the divorce was granted on the same day. Full stop. In the complaint filed by the appellant, he led both documentary and oral evidence. Full stop. Based on the evidence produced by the appellant, a prima facie case was established. Full stop. Consequently, the magistrate issued process against the respondents to face trial under sections 494, 420, read with section 120-B, IPC. Full stop. Aggrieved by the same, the respondents preferred a revision petition before the sessions judge. Full stop. However, without there being any valid reason, the sessions judge set aside the summoning order with reference to respondent number 1 under section 420 of IPC and with reference to respondent numbers 1 and 2 under section 420 read with section 120-B of IPC semicolon and confirmed the order of trial court with reference to summons issued against respondent number 1 under section 494 of IPC. Full stop. Challenge was made by the appellant to the aforesaid order before the High Court, raising the contention that the court, without appreciating the facts of the case, which are self-speaking, dismissed the revision petition. Full stop. The impugned order deserves to be set aside, as a prima facie case is made out showing that the appellant had been dishonestly induced by the respondent numbers 1, 2 and 3 to believe that the respondent number 1 had obtained divorce by showing him a forged order of divorce from earlier marriage, knowing well that it had not yet been dissolved as on the date of marriage with the appellant, and thereby dishonestly induced him to marry respondent number 1. Full stop. The respondents are liable to face trial under section 420 read with section 120-B, IPC for the reason that all of them had conspired with each other to dishonestly induce the appellant into marrying respondent number 1 and parting away with huge amount. Full stop. On the other hand, learned counsel for the respondents submitted that even on the basis of the pleaded facts and the material produced by the appellant before the magistrate, no offence under section 420, IPC can be made out. Full stop. It cannot be said to be a case of criminal conspiracy and no offence of cheating is made out against the respondents. Full stop. There is no error in the orders passed by the sessions court or the high court. Full stop. There was no concealment or cheating at the behest of the respondents, as they had clearly disclosed all the facts to the appellant from the very beginning. Full stop. The appeal deserves to be dismissed. Full stop. Heard learned counsel for the parties and perused the relevant referred record. Full stop. The appellant and the respondent number 1 came in contact through a matrimonial site. Full stop. The appellant was already divorced, whereas the respondent number 1 had uploaded her status as double inverted process of divorce is under consideration. Full stop. Double inverted close. After initial conversation, the appellant along with his family members were invited to visit Visakhapatnam, where they had interaction with the respondents. Full stop. At the time of the meeting, The appellant was told that the respondent number 1 was earlier married at Mumbai and the divorce had already taken place. Full stop.